My name is Adam Kless, and I am Vice President of Clinical Operations for Avant Healthcare Professionals. I've been a nurse for 23 years. When people come to the United States with a nursing degree, they wonder, what all can I do? Let's talk about all the things that you can do in the U.S. with a nursing degree. So the first thing we can talk about is a leadership track in nursing. You'll start your job in the hospital and you'll see the multiple leadership roles that there are. So you can progress from a staff nurse to a charge nurse, from a charge nurse to a nurse manager of a whole unit. From a nurse manager, you could be the director of multiple units in the hospital. And even one day you could be the chief nursing officer, having responsibility for all of nursing practice for the entire hospital. There's also another clinical career track in quality improvement. So inside hospitals, we're focused on our outcomes, so the results of us delivering nursing care. There's professionals in the hospitals that solely focus on the monitoring, assessment, and reporting of quality outcomes for the entire organization. Let's talk about one that you might not know about, and that's case management. So you're going to learn that in the United States, insurance companies play a big role in healthcare. Nurse case managers help guide patients through all of the complexities of their insurance. What's covered, what's not covered, how long should a patient stay in the hospital, when should we be thinking about home care, what resources do they need when they're at home. There's so much you can do as a nurse to impact patient outcomes in case management. Some of us really want to be directly tied to patients, right? So we became nurses to care for people. And so you could actually have a clinical career path as a nurse in the United States. You think about growing and getting your master's degree and becoming an advanced practice nurse. More and more, we are relying on advanced practice nurses to deliver the care that physicians used to deliver. We have such a shortage of physicians that actually we're stepping in as advanced practice nurses and making decisions about patient care. So it's a great career growth for you, and it really helps further your education and your skills in delivering patient care. So a lesser known part of a nursing career could really be in operations. You think about the way you run a hospital, the different things that you can do. So as a nurse, we contribute a lot of information clinically to areas of the hospital that are traditionally non-clinical. More and more, we're seeing project management professionals being part of health systems. So implementation of new programs, the launching of new services and products, all require the management of the project. Nurses can become specialty certified in project management, which will nicely combine your clinical expertise along with what you learn as a project manager to help ensure that projects get done and executed at the hospital in an expeditious and efficient way. The things I love about Avant. First of all, we change lives. We are so grateful that we're able to be part of so many people's lives. We have an indelible mark on family stories and histories by bringing you to the United States, by watching you become successful in your nursing career. And that, for us, especially the nurses in the company, really fulfills us, that we get to pass the torch to another group of nurses that will help deliver patient care. Avant is really core value driven, and you'll see this in everything that we do. Our core values are at the heart of everything, and there's not many companies that can say that. Here's my advice to aspiring USRNs. First and foremost, Avant's your perfect partner. We're going to help shepherd you through to realize your dream of being a nurse in the United States. The other thing is, once you get here, become known for something, develop an area of expertise, network with people, know your leaders, know your physicians. People will grow in their career based on the networks that they develop. We've moved away from an era of applying for a job. A lot of times now jobs are created for people with talent, and when you're known to others, they might just create a job for you that's special and unique that will help fulfill your own career goals. So if you're thinking about becoming a U.S. nurse, apply to Avant. You can apply online at AvantHealthcareProfessionals.com. We really hope to see you soon.